So here's our men's K4 from Germany, and another gold medal, but here at home. And Max, is it a bit special to win in Duisburg?
It's always great to race in front of the home crowd, to race in front of our friends, of our family, and all fans that came here to see us today. So they gave us some more motivation to put down a good race, and we had a good first to 50, and we already had the boat a little bit in front. So we're really excited about our push at the end, and that worked out perfectly.
And Tom, you all got a chance to do some different events here as well. Did that make it a bit more relaxed today when you got out there in the boat?
Not relaxed. We tried. It's the second week of racing after Poznan, and we tried to go with some more races in the K2 for these guys and K1 200 for Ronnie and for me in the K2 as well. And yeah, it worked good out. But now there's still some work until the World Championships.
And Max, you hear the crowd out there? Were they spurring you on?
Yeah, if we pedal to the start, we heard the crowd in the backside. So, but the race was so hard, and I didn't hear. But it's much better if you finished and then you hear all the crowd.
And Ronnie, people think that Spain might be the biggest challenge to you when it comes to the World Championships. So was it important today to have a win against them as well?
It's, I mean, we enjoy always the battle with the Spanish guys, our friends, and we're a bit surprised that the race was a bit different than we expected. But anyway, we win the race, and that's the one what is important for us. So we want to win and want to have a good time, and I think we challenged both today, we balanced both goals, and we are happy, so it doesn't matter.
Fantastic to see you guys winning again. Well done, enjoy it, and we'll see you in Szeged.
Thanks.